Today, I'll show you how to add a GIF in Klaviyo, a fantastic way to enhance your email campaigns with a bit of animated flair. Adding graphics like GIFs can make your emails more engaging and drive better interaction from your subscribers. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily integrate GIFs into your emails. To start off, you'll want to navigate to your email layout canvas within Klaviyo. Once you're there, look to the left sidebar panel where you'll find different types of content blocks. From this panel, you're going to need to select the image block. Simply drag this block from the sidebar and drop it into the desired spot within your email layout. This action sets up the foundation for placing your GIF where you want it to appear. With the image block now in your email layout, the next step is to click on this block. When you do, the left settings panel will provide you with options to manage your image content. Here, you'll see an option that says Browse or Upload Image. Click this to begin selecting your GIF file. This action will open a window on your computer where you can navigate to your saved GIFs. Choose the file that you'd like to add to your email. It's always a good idea to select a GIF that's relevant to your message or promotion to maintain a cohesive and professional email design. Before you finalize the upload, there's an important detail to keep in mind: the file size. Klaviyo supports animated GIFs, but it's crucial to ensure that your file is under 5 megabytes. Larger files can cause slow loading times for your subscribers' inboxes or even result in optimization errors. If your GIF file exceeds this limit, you might want to consider using an online tool to compress the file size without losing the quality of the animation. This ensures a smooth experience for your recipients and improves the overall effectiveness of your email. Once your GIF is in place, there's one more step to complete the setup. To make your email even more interactive, you can add a hyperlink to your GIF. This means when subscribers click on the animated image, they'll be directed to a specific web page. To do this, locate the link URL field within the settings panel. Paste your desired destination website address into this field. This could be a landing page, your home page, or a specific product page in your store. By doing this, you not only engage your audience visually, but also encourage them to take action, driving traffic to your site. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a GIF to your Klaviyo email campaign. This small addition can have a big impact on the way your audience interacts with your emails. By keeping the file size in check and adding a clickable link, you ensure that your emails are not only visually appealing, but also functional and user-friendly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, integrating dynamic elements like GIFs can significantly enhance your email marketing strategy, making your campaigns more vibrant and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.